Heidi Gammill with Nest Pretty. I am a closet coach. I help women to get dressed with ease and go confidently into your day. I want to share with you a little tip that I think is super powerful. Now, for me personally, I have a minimalistic closet. I love having very little to choose from. It creates so much energy for me. There is no confusion getting dressed. There is no spinning and indecision. It is so fantastic. Now, that did not happen automatically. It has taken me time. It has been a bit of a process, but it has been such a game changer for me that I'm here to share with you what I have learned. Now, one thing that I love to do is to curate or gather a capsule wardrobe for the season. And what that means is I try to keep it, my goal is 10 pieces, but I'm like around 20. And just by doing that, it helps you to pick and choose things that all go together so that you always have things that just work. There's just no indecision. There's no spinning. I have tons of clothes to wear and nothing goes together. It just makes it a no-brainer. So one thing I highly recommend is if you're going to invest in a piece, a pair of pants, let's say, like I did recently with these adorable pants. They have a tie, they have pockets, they are fantastic, they're wide-legged, they're very elegant and yet super comfortable. If you are going to invest in a piece, I highly recommend you buy a piece that matches it, that is the same fabric, because then it just makes getting dressed so easy. But on top of that, it also adds a flair of elegance to your silhouette. Oftentimes when I wear this, people say, is that a jumper? No, it's not. It's two pieces. So it just really helps people to relax. It helps you too. It helps you to relax because you have just a really clean silhouette. So then all you have to do is add a third piece. Today I wore a jean jacket. It was a little chilly this morning. Some piece of accessory to add just something to express your own personality. And I just highly recommend it. So that is a very key piece to getting dressed with ease so that it's a no-brainer. Purchase maybe separates that go together. What I find when I coach people in their closets is oftentimes they buy separates separately and then they don't have anything to go with it. Maybe they find a printed blouse and they love it and it's exciting for them, but then it just hangs there because they have nothing to go with it. Now, this for me, in my own, my style is simple, clean lines with a hint of whimsy. That's what I'm always going for. So for me, this look is perfect. But depending on your style, you may decide to get something else. If you love neon pink, then buy two pieces that go together. So just having the same fabric, knowing the colors are gonna match, it's just really a key to getting dressed easy. So I like to think of these pieces, these are kind of foundational pieces. Pants, skirts, jackets, those are foundational pieces. That means they are incredibly boring. It's not fun shopping for those pieces. But just like your house, the foundation is not exciting. Nobody looks at your foundation of your house, but the foundation is key. to being able to then put walls up, decorate them the way you want, paint them your favorite color, do an accent wall, hang your favorite pieces of art. So if you think about your foundational pieces as they are, foundational, aka boring, then you have a clean slate. You have a clean canvas to truly express your personality. Hanging the piece of art, maybe a necklace, bracelet, whatever it is. So consider that. And let me know if that helps you to get dressed with ease and to go confidently into your day. All I know is this outfit is so comfortable. And I get lots of compliments, even though, like for me, because it has a mock turtleneck, I don't wear a necklace because I feel like that's too much happening. It also has a tie, so that's a lot happening. So I like to express my own flair with a jacket, a sweater, or the shoes. I hope this helps. Like I said, I'm a closet coach. I can help you. It's so much fun. I hope this inspires you to look at your foundational pieces. Bye.